So how would you fix the Apple Watch microphone? Let me talk about it and explain how it could work. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. First of all, I would say that there are two sides of this because at first we need to make sure that the features which use microphone are enabled and turned on properly. For example, some people might want to use the microphone to dictate text instead of typing it on the keyboard. So for that, you need to open up the Watch app, tap on General, and go to the Enable Dictation toggle, which you need to enable and make sure that it does work. On a similar note, if you are using a different feature, for example, the Siri, you can also just go to the Siri section within the app and make sure that listening for the commands is enabled, and therefore your Apple Watch microphone works for that particular use case. But if you feel like it generally does not work, at least not the way that you would expect it to, then you can most definitely clean the microphone and the ports because it's one of the crucial ways to actually fix it and return back to the normal state. On the official Apple's website, you can find that there is a diagram of your Apple Watch types and where the speakers and microphones are, so that's very useful. And also you can see exactly how you're supposed to clean it, so you can just put it under lightly running water until it's clean. And if it's an Apple Watch Series 10 on or later, you can as well use a soft bristle brush to get the debris and the dust or whatever is blocking the microphone and speakers to get the most out of the Apple Watch. So I hope that I was able to explain it and guide you through the way that it would work. If you need some additional information about it, you can read about it below in the in the description. There is a link which I'm going to share and put there. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future tutorials.